This is called a literal equation, and what we are going to do is apply a lot of inverse operations, and we are going to solve here for T2. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do, we need to get T2 out of the denominator. So we are going to go ahead and multiply this guy over on this side. Cross multiplying, in other words. Now, all we have to do to get T2 by itself is get rid of this guy. And anytime that you want to get rid of a fraction, you just multiply both sides by its reciprocal. So what we're going to do is flip this and do T1, P1, V1. And we are going to multiply both sides by it. Now, when you multiply a fraction by its reciprocal, it's going to cancel out. So our final answer for this is going to be T2 equals, let's write this in alphabetical order, P2 T1 V2 over P1 V1. And that is it.